Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best small toaster ovens in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Breville Mini Smart Toaster Oven. Brushed stainless steel, BOV 450 XL. The Breville Mini Smart Oven with Element IQ system is for the cook who desires a countertop oven that bakes the perfect pizza, delicious cookies, and toasts evenly. Don't let Mini fool you, as this space-saving oven offers 8 cooking functions. Element IQ system. Using 4 independent quartz elements, smart algorithms steer power to where and when it's needed to create the ideal cooking environment for perfect results every time. Fast 1800-watt preheat gets your meals on the table more quickly. 8 cooking functions. Super versatile mini smart oven with 8 cooking functions to guide you to perfection. Toast, bagel, bake, broil, pizza, roast, cookies, and reheat. Number 4. Mueller Toaster Oven with 30-minute timer. Toast, bake, broiler settings, stainless steel, natural convection, fits 9-inch pizza, 4-slice toaster, $1,100. Space saving. Our compact toaster oven has a spacious interior to hold a 9 personal pizza, 4 bread slices, 4 pork chops, or a baking pan full of chicken. You can even bake bacon, burgers, and hot dogs in it. Must-haves: 3 knobs. Bake broil toast, and you can warm food. Set the temperature up to 450 degrees F. Adjust the timer during the cooking cycle. We included an auto shut-off function for safety. Easy to clean. The crumb tray makes cleanup simple. Just open the tray out and dump the crumbs. Even toast shade. Make the toast light, medium, or dark. It will toast both sides of the bread. Accessories. Our 1100W toaster oven comes with a baking/broiling/drip pan and a wire rack. Choose from 2 rack levels. A recipe book is also included. Perfect gift for a college student or for small space living. Number 3. Panasonic NBG110P FlashXpress Toaster Oven with double infrared heating in silver bundle with 2 WIR CPS Enhanced Protection Pack. FlashXpress Instant On Heat eliminates preheating for quicker cooking. Double infrared heating, quartz and ceramic, produces temperatures of 250 degrees F, 500 degrees F to cook up to 40% faster than conventional toaster ovens. 6 preset cooking modes for toast, waffle, rolls, pizza, hash browns, and quick reheat. Digital timer up to 25 minutes. Light/medium/dark crust control. Plus removable crumb tray and non-stick interior for easy cleaning. Distinct and compact with a minimal footprint designed to maximize any countertop space. Number 2. KitchenAid KXEO 211BM Digital Countertop Toaster Oven, Black Matte. Large capacity digital countertop oven has 50% more capacity than a leading competitor, compared to Breville Mini Smart Oven BOV 450 XL. 9 preset cooking functions. Bake, broil, toast, warm, reheat, bagel, pizza, cookies, roast, and frozen. Easy to read digital display for at-a-glance updates on cooking progress. Non-stick interior allows you to quickly and easily clean up any spills. Includes countertop oven, 9 inches, x 13 inches, baking pan with grill rack, removable metal drip and crumb tray, removable metal rack. Streamlined profile and chrome knobs add style to your countertop. Number 1. Black Plus Decker 4-slice convection oven. Stainless steel, curved interior fits a 9-inch pizza to 1,313 SBD. 9 pizza, 4 slices of bread. The compact toaster oven fits nicely on the countertop, while the curved interior makes room for 9 pizzas and 4 slices of bread. 4 functions. The stainless steel toaster oven's cooking functions include baking, broiling, toasting, and keeping food warm. 30-minute timer. The timer includes precise toast settings and stay-on functionality. Removable crumb tray. Keep the toaster oven clean with the convenient removable crumb tray. Dimensions: 16.4 x 11.3 x 9.4 inches.